All right, this next one that we're taking a look at is going to be the Keystone Passport 210 RKC. We got a total weight on this one of 4,490 pounds. Your hitch weight's 505 pounds, and the overall length is 25.5 feet. So, let's go ahead and take a look inside. Why don't we go ahead and come through here? First thing that I notice is the solid steps here. So way more sturdy. Still on the other doors, this other type of step here. So let's walk through. Wow. Hey, you know what? For 25 feet? Yeah, 25 feet.
Yeah, this is great.
This is not bad. It feels really roomy in here too. The two burner stove here.
And it's the same thing as the Greystone cooktop with the Furrion convection microwave oven with built-in air fryer.
Yes. 12-volt fridge. Again, the cable slide. So, you know how I feel about that. Rather have rack and pinion.
Same type of storage, runs all the way through.
Runs all the way across. That's a lot of storage too.
Yeah.
No pull down. Again, but I feel like this.
So they're very nice sinks still.
Really big, deep sink. Yep. I believe this would be stainless steel. It feels stainless steel. Nice countertop. Not a whole bunch of counter space, but what are you really expecting for a 25-foot camper?
Yeah. 25 and a half.
25 and a half, but that's, yeah. Decent amount of storage. Let's take a look over here. There you go, put your trash can over here. Your convection microwave.
And all the accessories that come with it.
You got a nice drawer right here.
It's nice to have that under because we don't have that under our stove.
No, because we have an oven.
Yeah.
In ours, we have an oven, and then we got the furnace sitting there. Oh, look at that.
Nice deep storage over there, and quite a bit of it as well.
Yeah, it looks like this probably, yep, there's another one. Your electrical panel is going to be right there. Let's take a look. Furrion. Again, love the Furrion stuff. Let's take a look over here. We got the TV here.
The storage on both sides.
The storage, you put your TV remotes or whatever you want in there.
Gaming console.
Technically, yeah. I mean, technically.
You've got to put a small hole through the wall there, but no big deal. It's the shelving.
There's an outlet and everything up there, so you can go and put that there.
Actually, I like that, though. Especially, yes, this is a good couples camper, but they can still have 2 kids in here for the amount this sleeps. Having this sofa right here and hooking up the gaming console right there.
And this is going to drop down, too, so you have all that extra, with this dinette. Seems like a pretty decent-sized dinette, too, and probably has some storage underneath. That is screwed down, so...
Oh, they screwed it down. Interesting.
This one
I wonder, you know what?
Storage.
It's ventilation.
No, your furnace is right there.
Right there, there's a vent on that one.
Yeah, so it runs underneath, but your actual furnace and everything's right here. That's the intake grate.
Yeah.
So this is one slide here. Decent amount of windows, and I didn't even notice. Look how big that window is over there, too. Again, that's the one thing that Keystone does very well, is they do the windows over the kitchens very well.
And they give you a good amount of windows, too, so you can let plenty of sunshine in.
Yeah, so we got this jackknife bed. Get back over here. Decent amount of storage underneath. There we go. Good amount of storage underneath, and it's all open too, except for those netting. All right. Look at how big this is in here.
Yeah. It's a very roomy bathroom.
Very roomy bathroom, but
let's see.
Let's see. Now I got a backrest here, but this is pretty good. I mean, like if you really have to go for it, then it's you might be able to grab the wall too. So that's actually kind of nice, but it's not bad. Plenty of space as long as this is closed. Get yourself really.
And how's that shower height? Is it the same as the last one? It kind of looks like it is, since that.
Well, let's take a look.
That skylight is not domed.
Well, again, I'm 6 foot tall.
Yeah.
There is plenty of space here.
Right.
But width-wise, my shoulders.
Right.
Right here. So.
Oh, wow.
This is not that wide of a shower. It looks like a nice shower head though. And then it's got the on-demand hot water heater right here. Not a big fan of that, but what can you do? That's what all these manufacturers are putting them in. I'd rather have a tanked water heater.
Yeah.
All right, we got a little sink here, some counter space here, and that's actually kind of nice because, you know, even ours, we don't have this in ours.
Yeah.
You have a peeper hole, so that way then when your neighbor wants to go and watch you struggle,
Oh, geez.
it's right there. Also good for ventilation, so nice cross breeze coming in from a regular fan, which you go and upgrade that to a fantastic fan with a nice vent, and you'll be good to go. The sink is pretty decent. I mean, you're going to pretty much be washing your hands only in here.
And you know, in the bathrooms, a lot of them are small for this size campers.
Yes. So let's take a look here.
Although that's a pretty decent size for the
corner cabinet. Yeah, this
for the
is,
medicine cabinet.
yeah. I mean, realistically, how much stuff do you put in there?
And then
right?
how about down there?
Well, down here, a decent amount of space, but you got their water lines and stuff, so you
Right.
just got to be just kind of.
You have the extra
remember that's
shelving
there.
over there.
Yeah, and that's
for
kind of
extra-
nice to have all that, so you put your towels and stuff right here.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look here. Now this one, I don't know what size this is either.
It's a queen.
Is this a queen? This is how big ours is,
It
isn't
says it on that thing out there.
Okay, so this would be a queen then. Let's take a look. You can just pop yours open then too.
Very deep storage on
Very-
both sides of the bed.
Yeah, so no
And you have a little nightstand on each side too.
Yeah. And there's outlets on the sides.
Yep.
You got
Plugs on both sides.
Yeah, you got your 12 volt plug-in, your USB plug-in, and regular ones. So put a nice little, what do you call them? Them little lights. Yeah, and a little lamp right there. You know, it'd be nice. And then you got a big shelf up here with a nice light there. That's nice. Sliding door. So that way then, and there's sliding doors on both sides of this walk-through bathroom. So that way then you do have a little bit of privacy besides that the peeper window. Alrighty. Should we go and take a
Again.
look on the outside?
Also have the entry into the bedroom.
Yes, so it's a dual entry.